Reprogramming a Nissan Qashqai key fob involves syncing the fob's unique ID with your car's immobilizer ECU. Older models allowed straightforward DIY reprogramming using the OBD2 port and tools like an ELM327 scanner. Newer models from 2024 to 25 often require Nissan's proprietary software or a dealer visit due to enhanced security and encryption. Remote pairing has become more seamless using Bluetooth-based apps for initial setup. However, DIY success rates have dipped to 70 to 80% due to increasing anti-theft measures. The key fob communicates wirelessly via RF signals at 433-434 MHz. It controls functions like locking and unlocking doors, engine start, and panic alarms. Keep in mind that fobs can't be reprogrammed if the key cylinder is faulty or if there are more than 4 keys programmed. For DIY reprogramming, you'll typically need a functional key, an OBD2 scanner, and access to your vehicle's 12 volts power. The process involves inserting the key, cycling it to accessory mode, pressing fob buttons in sequence, and using the OBD2 port for confirmation. However, be cautious of potential errors that can lead to lockouts. For newer models, consider that official Nissan guidelines often recommend consulting a dealer to avoid voiding warranties or triggering security faults. Trends are shifting towards digital integration, with smartphone app-based pairing becoming more common. By 2030, expect biometric or AI-driven access, like facial recognition, especially in electric Qashqais. Keep in mind that future trends may phase out battery-powered fobs and make DIY reprogramming obsolete due to over-the-air updates enhancing vehicle security.